Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies, Introduction to Python Programming Language. In this video, I am going to explain 6 topics. What is Python? Key features of Python language. Next, implementations of Python, applications of Python. Next, fifth one, Python environment setup. Last one, drawbacks of Python language. First, what is Python? Simple. Python is a programming language. So, primary purpose of Python is software development. Okay. Next, some history. Python was created by Guido Van Rossum in 1989, but publicly released in 1991. Say nearly 29 years back. Say Python is senior than Java also. Java released in 1995. Python released in 1991. Okay. Say Python was created by Guido Van Rossum in 1989. Publicly released in 1991. It is further developed by the Python Software Foundation, PSF. And Python official website is python.org. Next, Python is not named after the snake Python. The father of Python, Guido Van Rossum, said the name of the language was taken from the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido Van Rossum is the fan of that British TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay. Next, Python is a general purpose, high level, second term, high level. First, general purpose. Python is a general purpose, high level, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and open source programming language. I will explain each and every term. First, Python is a general purpose language. Say it is a programming language designed to be used for writing software in the widest variety of application domains. Python is not developed for specific purpose. Python was not developed for particular purpose. For example, HTML for web page design, SQL for database management. But Python is general purpose language. It can be used for different purposes. Next, Python is high level language. It is a programming language designed to simplify computer programming. High level source code contains easy to read syntax that is later converted into low-level language. Say, in Python, for writing code, we use English letters. If, for, do, while, print, etc. All these are English words. Say, English language is high level to computer. Computer can't understand English language. But for writing programs, we use English language that is easy for programmers. Computer can understand binary language only, zeros and ones. Okay, interpreter converts high level language into low level language, means machine level language. Okay. Python is general purpose language, high level language. Next, interpreted language. An interpreted language is a type of programming language for which most of its implementation execute instructions directly and freely without previously compiling a program into machine language instructions. Say, suppose in compiler based languages like Java, we have 3 steps. Write a program, compile the program, and run the program. In case of Python, like lightweight languages, scripting languages, 2 steps. Write a program and run the program. While running the program, it automatically compiles and run. Next, Python is interactive. Python supports interactive mode of programming. It provides with quick way of running blocks or a single line of Python code. Next, Python is object-oriented programming language. And it also supports functional programming. In Python language, you can find objects, methods, as well as functions also. But object-oriented programming concepts are dominating in Python. So Python basically an object-oriented programming language, but it also supports functional programming. You can find functions also in Python programming. It allows us to develop applications using object-oriented approach. In Python, we can easily create and use classes and objects. Next, last one. Python is open source. Python is developed under an OSI, approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable even for commercial use. Python's license is administered by the Python Software Foundation, PSF. Next, second one, key features of Python language. First one, free and open source. Python language is freely available at official website python.org. The source code is also available, therefore it is open source. Anybody can download and use. Next, second one, object oriented. We already discussed it. Python supports object oriented language and concepts of classes and objects come into existence. Next, third one, easy to learn and use. Python is easy to learn and use. It is developer friendly and a high level programming language. Fourth one, cross platform. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, and Macintosh, etc. So we can say that Python is a portable language. Next, last one, integrated. It can be easily integrated with other languages like C, C++, Java, etc. One small note, Python has so many other features also, but here I mentioned key features only. Next point, implementations of Python. Python has a number of alternative implementations are available. Example, CPython. The default implementation of the Python programming language is CPython. As the name suggests, CPython is written in C language. Next, IronPython. Python running on .NET environment. JPython. Python running on the Java virtual machine. PyPy, a fast Python implementation with a JIT compiler. Next, stackless Python, branch of CPython supporting micro threads. Next, MicroPython, Python running on microcontrollers. Next, last one, Anaconda Python. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing. Next point, applications of Python. We already discussed it. Python can be used for developing different types of software. Python is used to develop desktop GUI, graphical user interface. Next, web and internet development, IoT, Internet of Things. Next, third one, games and 3D graphics. Fourth one, here no sequence. Scientific and numeric applications. Next, Python can be developed. Python can be used for developing machine learning and artificial intelligence applications, data science and data visualization. Next, business applications like e-commerce, ERP, etc. Next, network programming, embedded applications, audio and video applications, education software, CAD, computer aided designing applications. Next, in software testing also, nowadays Python is using. Example, Selenium with Python for functional automated testing, APM with Python for mobile automated testing. Okay, Selenium also supports other programming languages like Java, C Sharp, Ruby, next JavaScript, Kotlin. But you can use Python with Selenium for functional automated testing. Next, Python with IPM for mobile testing. IPM also supports other languages like Java, etc. Okay. Next, 14th one, Python for DevOps. In DevOps environment, we can use Python for system administration and for writing automation script, etc. Next, 5th one, Python environment setup. Python environment is required to write and execute. Execute means run. Run, execute, synonyms in this scenario. Python environment is required to write and execute Python programs. If you want to write and execute Python programs, then you need to set up Python environment. It is very simple. For example, steps for Windows OS, Windows operating environment. First, download your in this video only theoretical steps. In next video, I will explain practical. Download your operating system compatible Python. Already we discussed. Python supports various operating environments like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. So download your operating system compatible Python software from Python official website python.org. Next, second step, install Python software and set path while installation. While installation, you can select path. Then it will set the Python environment variable. Then you can access Python software from any directory in your computer. Next, after installation, you can get Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Launch Python IDLE. Next, write and execute Python programs using IDLE. One small note, Python IDLE is best for learning Python language. But for working commercial purpose, download and install PyCharm IDE and write and execute Python programs using PyCharm IDE. Next, last topic in this chapter. Oh, just a minute. Drawbacks of Python language. Python has a slow speed of execution. It is slower than C, C++ and Java because it works with an interpreter, not the compiler. So, compiler-based programming languages like C, C++, Java are faster in execution than interpreter-based languages. Python is slow in speed. Next, Python language is seen as less suitable for mobile software development and game development. Third one, Python has high memory consumption and it is not used in web browsers because it is not secure. Next, fourth one, Python's database layer is primitive and underdeveloped in comparison to the popular technologies like JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, and ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. Last one, Python is dynamically typed language, so the data type of a variable can change anytime. A variable containing integer may hold a string in the future, which can lead to runtime errors. Thank you.